The last option is the preferred application set forth by the National Roofing Contractors Association for homes located in the northern climate zone. Now, this option again calls for the existing gutter to be removed for proper installation and maximum protection. If the gutters are new or in good condition, they can be reinstalled after the roof work is completed. This method starts with a half sheet of leak barrier versus the full sheet that the other methods utilize. The 18-inch sheet is installed at the roof surface and gutterboard transition with a minimum of 3 inches being wrapped onto the fascia. Once the initial sheet is in place, the metal flashing piece is applied over the sheet as an additional layer of protection at the transition. One main difference for this application, however, is that the metal piece is left loose so that the gutter can slip between the leak barrier and the flashing, which creates 3 layers of protection against ice dam leaking at the transition. Once the metal flashing is installed, 2 full courses of leak barrier are rolled out to create a full 6-foot barrier at the eave edge. When considering this application, here are some guidelines to follow. This is the most effective method of avoiding leaks due to ice backup at the gutter edge and up the roof line. The double-ply method at the bottom edge acts as compression fitting to seal all possible water entry points. It's recommended by the NRCA and shingle manufacturers.